Friends, let's continue with the example number 11. Devanshi has total rupees 590 as currency note in denominations of rupees 50 note, rupees 20 and rupees 10 currency note. The ratio of number of notes of rupees 50 and rupees 20 is 3:5. But they have not given the currency number of notes of rupees 10. If she has a total of 25 notes, means they have given total currency notes, so we need to find how much 10 rupees note also, because the ratio of 50 rupees note and ratio of 20 rupees note they have given, but they have not given anything about how much 10 rupees currency note. So from the total we will deduct this number of 20 rupees note and number of 50 rupees note. We will get that will be remaining will be rupees 10 currency note. Now how many each denomination notes are there? This is the question. So first of all we will just write down according to the ratio. Let the number of rupees 50 notes and rupees 20 notes as per ratio will be 3x, means 3:5, and 5x, because the ratio is given 3 for 50 rupees note and 5 for 20 rupees note. Okay, but total currency notes Devanshi, means she has, is equal to 25 notes. From this we can find, therefore rupees 10 currency notes will be how much? Total will be 25. उसमें से 50 rupees note and 20 rupees notes we have to minus. So minus 3x plus 8x, 5x, sorry, 3x plus 5x. The summation of these two, 50 rupees note and 20 rupees note, we have to deduct. So that will be 25 minus 8x. This is 10 rupees note, currency notes. Okay, so 50 rupees currency note, how much? 3x. 20 rupees currency note is 5x and 10 rupees currency note is 25 minus 8x. This is currency note. So currency note, if we multiply that particular denomination, then we will get the value of that is rupees 590. Okay, so amount means amount she has, means Devanshi has, from रुपीज़ 50 नोट्स. कितना बनेगा? 50 रुपीज़ के कितने नोट्स है? रुपीज़ 50 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3x नोट्स, वैल्यू विल बी रुपीज़ 150x रुपीज़. ओके, देन फ्रॉम 20 रुपीज़ नोट्स, how much value will be? रुपीज़ 20 की how much currency note? That is 5x. So it will be rupees 100x as a value. Now the value amount we are getting from rupees 10 currency notes. So rupees 10 currency note is given, that is multiplied by 25 minus 8x. So 25 is multiplied with 10 is multiplied with both this element. So rupees 250 and 8 times 80 minus 80x. So this is the value which is equal to rupees 590. Concept clear till here? Now using this we frame equation and get the value of each denomination and number of notes. So from this we will get rupees 150 plus rupees 100x plus rupees 25 minus 80x, and that is equal to rupees 590. This is our equation. Now if we solve, this is means left hand side equal to right hand side. We solve this equation and get the value of x, and by placing this value in this ratio 3x, and then we will get the denomination. Let's see. That is 150 plus 100 means 250 rupees 250 x minus 80x plus rupees 250 is equal to other side is rupees 590. This is simple without x, so we can send it on the other side of it. So 250 minus 80, this can be, so we will get how much amount? That will be rupees 170x, and on the other side 590 minus 250. So we will get 170x is equal to how much? We are going to get, friends, we have to subtract this one. Okay, so 340. Now we want to get the value of x. So x is equal to 340 minus, divided by, this will go to the other side, it will be in the division form, 170. 0 0 cut, 17 1s are 17 2s are. So value of x is equal to 2. Clear, friends? Now as we have got the value of x, we will place in the number of currency note and get how much currency note each denomination is. So rupees 50 notes, how much? It was 3x, means 3 multiplied by 2, that will be 6 notes of rupees 50. Same way, rupees 20 notes will be 5x. So 5 multiplied by 2, the value of x is 2. So it will be 10 notes of 20. And same way, rupees 10 currency notes, it was 25 minus 8x. So 25 minus 8 into 2. So first we will multiply. So 25 minus 16. So how much we are going to get this one? That is 9 notes of rupees 10. Hope so. This each denomination currency note we have got, and you have understood this sum. This is the completion of all the illustrations related to exercise 2.2. Based on this, we will follow and try to solve our exercise 2.2.